Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of maintenance management and provide valuable insights to optimize your operations. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential tool for streamlining maintenance management, the maintenance work order flowchart. By understanding this flowchart, you'll be able to improve your maintenance processes and ensure the efficient execution of work orders. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the maintenance work order flowchart, let's quickly understand why it is crucial for effective maintenance management. Maintenance management plays a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of organizations. By properly maintaining equipment, facilities, and assets, businesses can minimize downtime, extend the lifespan of their assets, and reduce costly repairs. And at the heart of effective maintenance management lies the work order process. The work order process involves a series of steps that need to be followed to initiate, track, and complete maintenance tasks. These steps typically include work request submission, work order creation, assignment of resources, execution of the work, and documentation of completed tasks. The maintenance work order flowchart visually represents this process, providing a clear roadmap for managing maintenance activities. Now, let's take a closer look at the maintenance work order flowchart and explore how it streamlines maintenance management. Step 1. Work request submission. The first step in the flowchart is work request submission. This can be initiated by employees, tenants, or through automated systems. Work requests can be related to equipment breakdowns, preventive maintenance tasks, or general repairs. The flowchart ensures that all work requests are properly documented and evaluated. Step 2. Work order creation. Once a work request is received, the next step is work order creation. This involves converting the work request into a formal work order. The flowchart outlines the necessary information to be included in the work order, such as equipment details, required materials, and priority level. This step ensures clarity and consistency in the information provided to the maintenance team. Step 3. Resource assignment. After the work order is created, the flowchart guides the assignment of appropriate resources. This includes assigning skilled technicians, allocating necessary tools and equipment, and scheduling the work. The flowchart ensures that the right resources are allocated efficiently, minimizing delays and optimizing productivity. Step 4. Work execution. Once the resources are assigned, it's time to execute the work. The flowchart emphasizes the importance of proper communication between the maintenance team and other stakeholders. It encourages real-time updates, progress tracking, and coordination to ensure the smooth execution of maintenance tasks. Step 5. Documentation and completion. Finally, the flowchart emphasizes the documentation and completion of the work order. This involves recording details of the work performed, noting any additional repairs or replacements, and obtaining necessary approvals. Proper documentation allows for accurate historical records and analysis of maintenance trends, and facilitates continuous improvement. By following the maintenance work order flowchart, organizations can achieve several benefits. 1. Streamlined processes. The flowchart provides a systematic approach, ensuring that each step is followed consistently, resulting in streamlined maintenance processes. 2. Improved communication. Clear communication channels are established between requesters, maintenance teams, and other stakeholders, reducing miscommunication and delays. 3. Enhanced efficiency. By allocating the right resources and optimizing scheduling, organizations can improve overall maintenance efficiency and reduce downtime. 4. Accurate documentation. The flowchart promotes accurate and thorough documentation, leading to better asset management and informed decision-making. In conclusion, the maintenance work order flowchart is a valuable tool for streamlining maintenance management. By following this visual guide, organizations can ensure efficient work order execution, improved communication, and enhanced maintenance processes. Remember, every organization may have its own unique work order flowchart tailored to its specific needs. It's essential to regularly review and refine the flowchart to accommodate changes and continuously improve maintenance operations. That's all for today's video on the maintenance work order flowchart. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.